Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I will show you how we can add account to your Play Store, right? So at the first, go for the Play Store, tap right here on the right upper corner and click to add another account. Right now we have to use our biometrics protection, and then just simply input your email. And next we have to input the password. Then click next. Tap agree. And as you can see, after a few moments we are able to switch between accounts, and basically that's how we can add the second account to your Google Play Store. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.